To properly store the Everchill ECR08DC GTA BGDC refrigerator, you must first turn the appliance off. You accomplish this by opening the refrigerator door, locate the user control knob, and turn the dial to 0. The interior light will turn off after 3 minutes. If the light doesn't turn off, disconnect the battery. Next, empty the refrigerator and dry out the inside of the appliance cavities. Then, leave the doors open for ventilation during the storage period. For extended storage and winterization, the battery should be removed and properly maintained. To bring your coach out of storage, just reverse the sequence by turning the user control knob to the temperature setting of your choice. Now go ahead and shut the doors and wait for the appliance to cool down. If your refrigerator doesn't cool down after 2 hours, you may need to perform a hard reset.